Hey guys, doing a little bit of paint. You probably hear the laser going on in the background here. Doing a little painting today using these, I guess, 4-inch rollers on the, just a small applicator. And one of the things I struggle with as I move from job to job is constantly cleaning these things off, letting them dry, and then moving on to the next color. And I've got, probably about 3 or 4 dozen of these around the house that really don't need to. I think most of you probably know that if you put a roller in a plastic bag, it keeps it for longer and you can go back to using it for your second, third, fourth application, however many applications you have. Well, I used to do that with bags from the grocery store. I live in New Jersey. They no longer give you plastic bags at the grocery store. So it became a little bit of an investment for me to buy the bigger bags. And then ultimately I found these Ziploc portion control bags. Right, they're about 1 cup, but they fit perfectly for the 4-inch rollers. So just something to consider. Make your lives a little bit easier if you're doing painting the way I am with latex or acrylics. Just being able to get in, get out, and save yourself some time with the storage.